I'm sure you've heard the news. The world needs affordable quality medicines more than ever, and Shayonam Pharma is stepping up to the plate. Shayonam Pharma isn't just another name in the pharmaceutical industry. We're a world-renowned exporter from India, dedicated to providing a whole range of medicines across the globe. Whether it's for common ailments or specialized treatments, we've got you covered. Our mission? To deliver quality medicine at an affordable price, making healthcare accessible for everyone. From Mumbai to Madrid, Shayonam Pharma is breaking down barriers and building healthier futures. You see, our commitment goes beyond just words. With rigorous quality control and ethical practices, we ensure that every pill and potion meets the highest standards. Trust, transparency, and top-notch healthcare. That's what we stand for. So, next time you think of affordable quality medicines, think Shayonam Pharma. Together we can create a healthier, happier world. Join us on this journey. Shayonam Pharma, where quality meets affordability. Visit us at Shayonam Pharma Pvt. Limited.